Then how do we do split?
Yeah, ask. Like, excuse me.
No? Yeah. Oh, I hope they didn't add it together.
Probably is. I have $4 in here.
Yep. I'll just do it on mine. Just...
Then we'll find it when we get out.
Yeah. Thank you.
Gonna park up and make like a food review thing. Hey guys, welcome to Dixo's food reviews. Okay, so here we got the mega whop. The mega whop.
First impression.
Here we got
Fucking disgusting.
no, I swear.
They gave me an upside down burger.
Oh my god.
They gave me an upside
bloody
down burger.
upside down burger. So I got apparently I got a bacon deluxe when I ordered a Whopper. And it's a Whopper Junior, you know, they sell here at Hungry Jack's.
Dixon, it's on my bonnet. Ready? Didn't even care.
So that's the burger, and here's the chips. So this cost me $3 roonies, and this is a $1. It's pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. So here we go with the first bite.
Go for it.
Oh, there's lettuce. You know this boy don't screw with no lettuce. I'm just kidding, y'all. Just trying to copy iDubbbz. So here's my first impression. No, Grady, after that first bite, you just taste the deliciousness in the meat, the patty meat, the meat patty, the bread, the tomato, and all that other.
Tomato.
Yeah, look at. It's just so nourishing. So, a little trick you can get here, guys. You get your $1 chip, you put into the burger, and now you got a Whopper with chips. Yeah, I know. Hectic. Gotta love that obesity in the burger. Now I don't understand why fat people are fat. How can you stop eating? So we just got attacked by seagulls. Not seagulls. Are they seagulls?
Yeah, they're seagulls.
I don't even know what a bird is. Hey, it's Joey's Food Reviews. Have you watched Joey's Food Reviews? Every bite he takes is like.
Actually, yeah. Okay, why is it not charging?
Shout out to Dylan White. He paid for my $1 chips because he bought my A-Mart merch, guys. Get your merch. So after that Junior Whopper, I rate it 3 McYakes out of 5. What would you rate the Whopper Junior, Ratty son?
3 out of 5.
3 out of 5 what? 3 out of 5 what?
Soggy sayos.
Whoa, 3 out of 5 soggy sales!
You know what that is?
No. What's soggy? Oh, we call it yucky cookie where I'm from, but okay.
They're gonna come through the window.
Stop doing that. Sorry guys, we're being attacked by seagulls. Still.
The real white trash of Australia. Other than albinos.
Albinos. So what would you rate the Hungry Jack's chippies?
Have to taste one. 5 out of 5 soggy sayos. I like soggy sayos.
Soggy sayos sound tasty. I can't wait to try some.
Bad.
So I'd give these chippies.
Don't say it. Don't say Mackie Yeats.
I give this a 7 out of 8 starving children.
The best kind of children.
Okay, now guys, we're on to the finale. The Hungry Jack's Frozen Cokes. Is it better than the Wild Macca's Frocos? Let's see. Grado.
It's too chunky. Doesn't come with the straw nice and smooth.
That was a good little taste I got. I think I gotta say I don't know, this is a hard choice. Well, how do you rate it?
Pretty shit.
So he gets pretty shit out of whatever he was doing there. And I think I'll give it 1 out of 3 fake McDonald's. Hey guys, next time on Fake Food Reviews, we're gonna eat at McDonald's. So I'll see y'all next episode. As always, Muck Yeet!